Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Anup, and today I'm going to show you how you can add color to the shadow part of your images. It's a very simple technique, so I'll show you how we can achieve that. So first step would be going to the selected color, then going to the drop down and selecting black. Black is the color of our shadow. So you will see cyan, magenta, yellow and black, 4 sliders. Now you have to choose which color you want to add in your shadow. If you want to add yellow in your shadow, what you have to do is you have to drag the slider to the right part of it. If you want to add magenta, and similarly if you want to add cyan. Now if you want to add other colors, for example if you want to add red, then you have to move the cyan color to the left of it, because red and cyan are the two opposite color of each other. So you have to remember what are the opposite color of each other. For example, for red it is cyan, for magenta it is green, and for yellow it is blue. You can note it down that somewhere. So if I have to add blue to my shadow, what I have to do is I have to drag the yellow slider to the left side of mine. You will see the blue, but it's too much. Now if I want to add a little bit of green as well, yes. So for example, now you want to add orange to your orange color to your background. So what you have to do is you have to think orange color is basically a color formed when you combine red color and yellow color. So for to add red color to your background, you have to move cyan slider to the left side, and red and yellow, you have to mix red and yellow, and so yellow to my right side. So you will see we have added orange color, some of orange tone to our image. So this is it, a very simple technique. I hope you guys learned something new. Subscribe us, that will be a great help for us. Keep coming back, we are coming up with many more tutorials. You guys take care. Bye bye.